Want to learn how people are making 3,000 euros a month by selling simple digital products on Etsy, without inventory or shipping? A business with no boxes to pack, no trips to the post office, and no ceiling on how much you can earn? If you've been searching for a way to build a stream of income that works for you even while you sleep, then you are in exactly the right place. This isn't just a dream. It's the reality for thousands of creators, and it could be yours too. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and give you the complete step-by-step blueprint for starting a profitable digital product shop on Etsy in 2025. We're going to cover everything from the ground up. We'll start with how to find niche ideas that actually have buyers. Then we'll move on to creating beautiful products, even if you're not a designer. I'll show you how to list them on Etsy for maximum visibility, and finally, how to get those first few crucial sales. This is the guide I wish I had when I started. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I can't do it. Maybe you're telling yourself, I'm not a graphic designer. Let me stop you right there. You don't need a degree from a fancy art school. With incredibly intuitive and often free tools like Canva, you can create professional-looking products by simply dragging and dropping. It's more about understanding what people need than being a master artist. Or maybe you're worried about the logistics. I don't have space for inventory. The beauty of this model is that your warehouse is a folder on your computer. There's no physical stock. You'll never have to worry about ordering too much, running out of a popular item, or dealing with damaged goods. Your product is an infinite digital file. And the biggest hurdle for most new businesses? The cost. I don't have thousands of dollars to invest. Guess what? You don't need it. Your startup costs can be as low as a few dollars for Etsy's listing fees. You can literally start this business with the cost of a couple of coffees. It's one of the most accessible business models on the planet right now. And make sure you stick around until the very end. I'm not just going to give you theory. I'm going to show you proof. I'll be giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of my own successful Etsy shop, Zentra Studio. I'll reveal which of my products are my top sellers, I'll break down my pricing strategy, and I'll even show you the exact keywords that bring in customers. This is real-world data you can apply to your own shop from day one. So, what exactly these magical digital products we're talking about? At its core, a digital product is any item or piece of media that you sell online without a physical form. It's a file, a PDF, a JPEG, a zip file, that your customer downloads instantly after purchase. Think of it as selling a solution, a tool, or a piece of art delivered in a weightless digital package. This leads to the 3 pillars of the digital product revolution: no shipping costs, no stock limits, and the holy grail, passive income. Let's break that down. Passive income can be a misleading term. It doesn't mean you do nothing and money appears. It means you do the work. You invest your time and creativity upfront to design a fantastic digital planner. You research the keywords, create beautiful mock-ups, and write a compelling description. You upload it to your Etsy shop, and then the magic happens. That single file can be sold 1 time, 100 times, or 10,000 times, all without you having to do anything extra for each individual sale. The delivery is automated by Etsy. You literally make money while you're sleeping, on vacation, or working on your next great product idea. It's a system that decouples your time from your income. The possibilities are truly endless, but let's get specific to spark your imagination. We can group them into a few main categories. First, we have planners and organizational tools. This is a massive market. Think beyond just a simple daily planner. We're talking about specialized budget trackers for students, social media content calendars for small business owners, wedding planning kits with checklists and timelines, fitness and meal prep planners, and even digital journals with hyperlinked tabs for use on an iPad. People are always looking for ways to organize their lives. Next up, templates. These are huge time savers for people. You could create customizable resume and cover letter templates for job seekers, professional presentation slides for corporate employees, or editable business card designs. A really popular niche is social media templates. Think pre-made Instagram post and story designs for real estate agents, coaches, or restaurant owners. You do the design work so they don't have to. Then there's the world of creative assets and digital art. If you have an artistic side, this is for you. This includes printable wall art in various styles: boho, minimalist, abstract. It could be digital sticker sets for people who use digital planners like GoodNotes. Or if you're a photographer, you could sell Lightroom presets that give photos a specific look with one click. For digital artists, Procreate brushes are incredibly popular. Finally, there are informational and educational products. This is where you sell your knowledge. This could be a short ebook on a niche topic like A Beginner's Guide to Sourdough, a set of printable flashcards for learning a new language, or even a sewing or knitting pattern. You're packaging your expertise into an easy-to-download file. Now, I know a common fear is, isn't the market on Etsy already too saturated? And it's a valid question. But I want you to reframe that thought. Saturation is just proof of demand. It means there are millions of buyers actively looking for these products. The secret isn't to avoid popular markets. It's to find your unique corner within them. Instead of a generic wellness planner, you could create a wellness planner for new moms, or a mindfulness journal for busy professionals. Niching down is your superpower. That's how you stand out and build a loyal following. We'll cover exactly how to find these profitable niches in the next section. The shift to digital is undeniable, and Etsy is the perfect platform to ride that wave. It's a trusted marketplace with a built-in audience of millions who are specifically looking to support independent creators like you. That's why so many people are choosing to build their digital empires on Etsy in 2025. So now that you understand what a digital product is and the incredible opportunity it represents, where do we start? The most critical first step is research. You can't just create what you people want. You need to find out what they're already buying. So, let's dive in. Next up, I'll show you my favorite methods for how to validate your product ideas fast, so you can be confident you're creating something that will actually sell. The single biggest mistake new sellers make is creating a product people want, without any proof. They spend hours perfecting a design, only to launch it to the sound of crickets. We're going to avoid that. Your journey to a successful Etsy shop doesn't start in a design program. It starts with solid research. Think of yourself as a digital detective. Your mission is to uncover what millions of Etsy shoppers are already searching for. Your primary tool is the Etsy search bar itself, a direct line into the minds of your customers. Start typing a broad keyword, like printable planner, but don't hit enter yet. Pay close attention to the autocomplete suggestions. You might see printable planner for ADHD or printable planner for students. These long-tail keywords are pure gold, showing you specific needs within a broader market. Do this for several ideas: resume template, wedding invitation, digital stickers. Make a list of these promising phrases. Now, analyze the search results on the first page. Look for listings with the bestseller badge. This is Etsy's way of telling you, this thing sells like crazy. But dig deeper. Click into these top listings. How many reviews do they have? A high number of reviews, even with a 4.7 star rating, indicates consistent sales. Most importantly, read the reviews. Customers will tell you everything. They'll say, "I wish it had a budget tracker," or "I love the clean layout." This is invaluable feedback you can use to create an even better product. While you can do a lot with just Etsy, dedicated research tools like eRank or Marmalade can give you a data superpower. These platforms show you insights you can't see on the surface. Take those long-tail keywords you found and plug them in. You'll see metrics like average searches and competition. The sweet spot is a keyword with high search volume but low to medium competition. This is your green light, a clear signal that helps you move from "I think this is a good idea" to "I know this is a good idea because the data says so." Now, let's talk about a common fear: competition. Seeing other shops selling something similar isn't a reason to run away. It's proof of a healthy, active market. If you found a niche with zero competition, it's likely because there are also zero buyers. Your goal isn't to invent something entirely new, it's to enter a proven market and do something better or different. This is where you inject your unique creativity. This is your twist. Look at the successful products and ask, how can I serve this audience even better? If everyone is selling floral wedding invitations, could you offer a rustic, woodland-themed design? Your twist is what makes a customer choose you. Let's cover a common mistake: being too broad. A planner for everyone appeals to no one in particular, but a digital planner for law students speaks directly to a specific person with a specific need. Don't be afraid to niche down. That's where you'll find your most loyal customers. Another key strategy is trend spotting. Use Google Trends to see if a topic is growing in popularity over time. Also, browse visual platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. Search for your keywords and see what pins and posts are getting the most engagement. What aesthetics and color palettes are trending? This is how you stay ahead of the curve. So before you open a design app, run your idea through this final validation checklist. First, is there proven demand? We found this by looking at bestsellers and search data. Second, have you identified a clear niche or customer? We did this by niching down. And third, do you have a unique angle or twist? This is your key to standing out. If you can confidently check all three boxes, you've done the hard part. You've moved from guessing to knowing. You've found a winning product idea backed by real data and customer desire. Now, and only now, are you ready to bring that idea to life? Let's dive into how you can create these amazing digital products quickly and affordably, without needing to be a professional designer. You don't need Photoshop or fancy software. Canva lets you create professional-looking designs in minutes. Even without design skills, Canva templates plus customization make it easy. Printables, calendars, checklists, templates, resumes, Instagram post templates, ebooks, write in Google Docs, export as PDF. My first Etsy product? I made it in Canva. And guess what? It sold within the first week. Design tips. Keep type readable. Use consistent color palettes. Include multiple file sizes. Export high-res PDFs and JPGs for previews. Include layered editable files if possible. Next, let's open your shop and create listings. Sign up for an Etsy seller account. Pick a shop name that's catchy and niche-friendly. Add a shop logo and banner. You can make these in Canva. When you create your listing, use strong product titles and clear keywords in the description. Example: instead of just writing planner, write minimalist daily printable planner vertical bar instant download. Keep beginner-friendly prices: €2, €8 for small items, €10, €20 for bundles. Offer a first bundle product to attract buyers. Promote on Pinterest, Instagram, or TikTok. Think of your first month as proof of concept. Aim for your first 10 sales and reviews. Now, a real example: my shop. To show you this isn't just theory, let's do a case study of my own shop, Zentra Studio. My goal was to create elegant, minimalist digital products for busy women craving tools that bring calm and style to their lives. I chose a minimalist aesthetic because it's timeless and clutter-free, the exact feeling I wanted my products to inspire. This wasn't just about making things pretty. It was about building a brand with a clear mission to serve a specific person. Inside, you'll find our core offerings: digital planners, guided journals, and printable wall art. Each is designed to be both functional and a joy to use. For example, our best-selling planner includes sections for habit tracking, budgeting, and weekly reviews. We use a consistent palette of soft colors and elegant fonts across all products. This ensures the shop feels like a single, curated collection, which builds trust and brand recognition. I'll never forget seeing that first sale notification. It came within the first week. While it was just one sale, its significance was massive. That single purchase was the proof of concept I needed. It validated the niche, the product, the design, and the keywords. It told me, this works. There are real people who want what you're creating. This is a critical milestone that transforms your idea into a viable business model. It's the spark that fuels your motivation. So, how do you scale from one sale to a sustainable business? The key is batch creation. Instead of designing one product at a time, I set aside time to create a whole collection. In Canva, I'll build a master planner layout. From that one file, I can quickly generate variations: daily, weekly, and monthly versions. This is infinitely faster than starting from scratch. Using a brand kit in Canva with my specific fonts and colors ensures every new product remains perfectly on brand. This batching process feeds directly into the second pillar of scaling: consistency. Aim to list between 30 and 50 products in your first 3 months. That sounds like a lot, but it's just 3 to 4 new products a week. Totally achievable with batching. Why? It signals to the Etsy algorithm that your shop is active, which helps visibility. A well-stocked shop also appears more professional, and every new listing is another chance for a customer to find you. Once you have a solid foundation, start diversifying your products smartly. Think about what else your audience might need. If my customer loves her minimalist planner, she might also value minimalist budget trackers or meal planning templates. You can also bundle existing products to increase your average order value. A productivity power pack with a planner, to-do list, and habit tracker provides more value and increases revenue without finding a new audience. While Etsy's traffic is great, real growth happens when you drive your own external traffic. My top 2 platforms are Pinterest and Instagram. Pinterest is a visual search engine where users are actively looking for solutions. For every product, create 5 unique pin designs with keyword-rich descriptions linking to your listing. On Instagram, use Reels to show your product in action. Repurposing your mock-ups into beautiful, shareable content is the most efficient way to market your shop for free. And there you have it, the complete blueprint for starting and scaling your Etsy digital product shop. We've covered everything from finding your niche to designing products, mastering SEO, and implementing smart growth strategies. The journey starts with a single step. It's not about having hundreds of products on day one. It's about starting small with one well-researched product, testing it, learning from it, and growing intentionally. You have the knowledge and the tools. Now it's time to take action. To see these principles in action, I invite you to visit Zentra Studio. The link is in the description. As you browse, look at it with your new seller's eye. Notice the cohesive branding, the SEO in the titles, and the quality of the mock-ups. It's a living case study of everything we've discussed. If this guide has helped you, please hit that subscribe button for more. And I genuinely want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the very first digital product you're inspired to create?